Hello student, in today's session we have to start a new article from chapter 5 oscillation, and it is kinetic energy, potential energy and total energy in linear SHM. Now let me start with the kinetic energy. The first one is kinetic energy. So before the kinetic energy, we consider a particle is or object is performing a linear SHM. Let I draw the diagram here. So here this is the mean position. This is extreme, positive extreme side, and this is negative extreme side. So here x is equal to minus a. So here x is equal to 0. So x is equal to plus a. Now particle is performing linear SHM. Now at any time instant, particle is at point P, which is at a distance x from mean position. It means that displacement of this particle is x at that instant. Now we obtain here expression for kinetic energy of this particle or object. Kinetic energy. Now we know whatever the formula of the kinetic energy, we know that I write here 1 by 2 mv square is the kinetic energy. Now here, but in linear SHM, value of the V is omega under root a square minus x square, plus minus omega, or I consider only the magnitude here. If I substitute the value of velocity in this kinetic energy formula, then what we get? Kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 m into this omega under root a square minus x square, this term square. So we get 1 by 2 m, this omega square, and this under root a square minus x square, square means the root get cancelled and we get here a square minus x square. So this is expression for kinetic energy. So we get kinetic energy expression, and it is 1 by 2 m omega square in a bracket a square minus x square. Also the same formula we can modify by substituting the value of m omega square, but we know that omega square is k by m. So this formula we learned in the previous articles as well as in differential equation. Also we learn this omega square is k by m. Hence this m omega square is k. So if I substitute this m to this side, then we get m omega square is k. So instead of this m omega square, I can write k. Then we get kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 k in a bracket a square minus x square. This is expression for kinetic energy. Now let me write two cases here. Case 1, at mean. So this kinetic energy is at any position P. This is the formula of kinetic energy at any position P, which is at a displacement x. But if I consider the mean position at mean, you know that x is equal to 0. Let I substitute x is equal to 0 at in the formula of kinetic energy. So we get kinetic energy at mean 1 by 2 m omega square a square we get. Or in term of k also we can write 1 by 2 k a square. Any formula you can remember, or both the formulas you can remember. In this formula, if I substitute x is equal to 0, then we get this. In this formula, if I substitute x is equal to 0, we get this is the expression for kinetic energy. So it means that kinetic energy is a maximum at mean position. At extreme, obviously it is coming 0. Case 2, at extreme, x is equal to a. Hence kinetic energy is equal to, if I substitute x is equal to a in this formula or in this formula, so a square minus a square, it is coming 0. So obviously the kinetic energy is coming 0. So kinetic energy is minimum at extreme and maximum at mean. You remember these values because we have to plot a graph at the end. that time we require these values. Or if you want to plot a graph of kinetic energy, then we can plot it here also. So this is a displacement. So this is a displacement axis. So this is energy axis. Okay, this is energy axis. So here this is mean position. So this is extreme position, minus A, and here x is equal to plus A. Then at mean x is equal to 0 and kinetic energy is coming this. So this is a kinetic energy at mean. So I can write, so here kinetic energy we get 1 by 2 m omega square A square, and at this value kinetic energy is 0. So here also kinetic energy is coming 0. So we get this type of graph of kinetic energy. So this is a graph of displacement versus, here I taken displacement on this axis and energy on this vertical axis. So we get this type of graph. Here kinetic energy 0, 0, and here it is a maximum at mean position. Now after that we have to start with the potential energy. Now potential energy formula